Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we had studied different examples of polymers, that is, how they are prepared, what is chemical reaction, and the applications or the uses of polymers. This we had studied. Today, we will study the relation between the molar mass and degree of polymerization. So in this point, we know very well that a polymer is a large molecule. It is a complex molecules consist of many monomers or the many starting material molecules united together, condensed together, added together to give a large size molecule that is called as a polymer. So molecular mass of polymer is the average molecular mass of the constituent molecules, means monomers. So molecular mass of polymer depends upon degree of polymerization, means how many molecules of monomers they take part in the polymerization, that is called as a degree of polymerization. The short form used for a degree of polymerization is dP. So what is dP? It is the number of molecules of monomers that take part in the polymerization, that is called as a degree of polymerization. Now we will study this mechanical properties of polymers that depends upon the molecular mass. So how this relation is, that is how this property is based on molecular mass. Remember these points well, that the low molecular mass polymers, they are brittle and low mechanical strength. Exactly opposite, that is high molecular mass polymers becomes tough, they are not brittle, and they have this high mechanical strength, that is called as a unmanageable. So both of these terms are undesirable ends. So low molecular mass, brittle, and low mechanical strength. Then high degree of polymerization, then they are tough, not brittle, and they have high mechanical strength. So polymer must possess a molecular mass more than a certain value, minimum value, to in order to exhibit properties needed for the particular application. We know there are variety of applications for the polymers, and therefore the minimum molecular mass is needed to show these all properties for the different applications of the polymer. This minimum molecular mass corresponds to critical degree of polymerization. So what is this critical degree of polymerization? The minimum molecular mass of the polymer that must exhibit to show the all properties of these polymers required for the different applications. So this is a critical degree of polymerization. It is to be needed the minimum value of the molecular mass. But the polymerization process has to be controlled, and for polymers containing hydrogen bonding, the critical degree of polymerization is lower. Remember again this point. If hydrogen bonding is present in the polymer chains, then the critical degree of polymerization is lower. And if other type of forces like intermolecular forces, these are present in the polymer chains, then critical degree of polymerization is higher value. So in the today's lecture, what we had studied, what is the molecular mass of polymer, what is the degree of polymerization, how it is related with mechanical properties, low molecular weight polymers, high molecular weight polymers, they have extreme ends of the properties. To show the variety of properties of the polymers, the polymers must have the critical minimum critical value of this polymerization, degree of polymerization. And if the polymers have hydrogen bonding, then it shows the lower critical value of polymerization. And if they have intermolecular forces, then have higher value of degree of polymerization, that is a critical value. So that is about the relation between the molecular mass and degree of polymerization of polymers. Thank you.